Hey, good morning folks. Happy Saturday to you. Oh, hey buddy. Hey, today I've got a 2006 CTS that my in-law brought over, or my outlaw, and as you saw there, it's got a broken headlight or turn signal light, and you can tell that just by how fast the flasher is flashing. It's kind of an idiot light for you. So apparently these CTSs are kind of difficult to get to the turn signal. So I figured I'd do a quick video here for you and show you how to get to the turn signal and change the bulb in it. You want to help? No? Okay. All right, well, let's get to it. So unlike a lot of cars where you can replace the blinker bulb or the headlight bulb or anything like that from getting into it from the engine compartment, this one you actually have to remove all of the plastic in the wheel well to get to the blinker bulb in here, which is, again, you got to get to it from the inside. So that's what we're going to do. I'm just going to take my pocket screwdriver, pop all these clips off here, and pull down the all the wheel well covering and get to the blinker that way. So let's do that. So I've got all these clips off, and there are, let's see, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 that I've taken out, and there's actually a couple more that I didn't remove. There's one towards the rear of the car back here by where the muffler comes down, and then there's also 2 others up front here that I'm not going to take out as well. I just don't need to. So once you get these plastic pieces off, there's some pine straw in here, take that out. Your 2 lights, your driving light and then the turn signal are here, and on this car it's just a simple twist out and there's your bulb. And now these are the old 1157 bulbs, and you just get them for $7 or $8 at the car parts store. And pop the old one out and pop the new one in, and we'll make sure it works before we put everything back together. That's the horn. There we go. All right, that's all there is to it. Again, not as easy as some of the other cars where you can just reach in and pull out the bulb from the front or the top. But again, this has only taken me maybe 15 minutes. Give me another maybe 10 minutes to get all these plastic pieces put back together. But that's how you replace the turn signal on this 2006 CTS, and I'm sure it's probably similar to some of the other CTSs, and likely, don't quote me on it, but likely some of the other Cadillacs as well from this vintage. So hope that's helpful to you. Y'all have a great Saturday, and we'll see you next time.